I'm sick of the scandalous living.
I don't think I'm even equipped
For a high standard of living. But if you give him one more chance to forgive him, here's what I do.
That negative gene into oblivion.
Here's what I do. Put you in this basket and float you down in Mississippi, 20 miles from the bayou. Have grapes, have stock, have spectacles, come and try it.
My mama introduced me
To the scripture, the Channel 4 News introduced me to the shit that produced Hitler. I was a young lad,
Three Stooges, Superman,
Batman, the Riddler,
Moonwalk,
windmill, freeze for the picture. My grandma told me courage. She told me never let the grizzly bears eat your porridge, or you'll just be a carcass dying slowly in the forest.
never think of for it.
But I can slay a devil when I see one. Petty plans is meant to read yourself, so not to be one. Life is like a rerun, season after season. Bombs on the train, bombs on the plane. A disgruntled citizen being tried for treason. What's your name, bro? Yo, everybody show, no, hold on, TJ, hold on. Before we show some love to Jamil, yeah? Let this be a testament to how, no matter what you fucking complain about, see this man here in a wheelchair, yeah? Living his life, having a good time. Let this be a testament that we're all blessed to be a fucking life, yeah? Yo, you want a drink? You want some water? You want some water? Huh? You don't want no water? You want a spliff? Yo, kid, roll back to the spliff. You want a blowjob?
Yeah!
You want a blowjob?
Yeah!
You, give him a blowjob.
He ain't playing.
Yo, pass the spliff to this man right here, Jamel. Pass the spliff. You having a good time, man?